Now in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a new job to your careers section and how to track the applications from users or people that are looking for a job at your company. So to post a new job, the first thing that you need to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I'm already logged in, incminutes.com/WP admin. And to add a new job, you come here to the left hand side of the menu where it says job listings, and then where it says all jobs, you go where it says add new. Here, this is how you add a new job, by going to where it says add new. So click here where it says add new, and then it's going to show you this little block editor, but just click X, close this little dialog. We really don't need it in case it comes again, so just gonna exit it now. So on this section, you can see that you've got two sections on your website. You've got this biggish section here that has got all this information that's needed, and you also have the small little side menu on the right here. So start by writing the information on the main section here. So the position, let's say for instance we're looking for a chief marketing officer, and scroll down where it says job data. This is where you put the information. So the location, let's say remote working. The application email, this is the email that receives the job application. So we've left it at bongani@incminutes.com, and the company name obviously is InkServe. Then when it comes to the company website, the company tagline, company Twitter, company video, please leave it blank. Just leave it blank because it's for one company, so there's no need to put all this information. Then the listing expiry date. Okay, I jumped two things. Firstly, position filled. This is when your job offer, you've got your candidate in, you've hired someone and you don't want people to apply, you'll come and tick here. Or if it's a featured listing, you want this job to always show at the top of all the jobs that you have open, you can click here. Then listing expiry date, this is when your job is going to expire. So let's say 30 November, let's say end of November, that's when all applications will close, and the program will pick it up and say 30 November, no more applications will be taken. Then under Yoast SEO, please just leave it blank. And under content permissions, again, please don't edit anything here. So once you're done with this side, you also want to put in the description of the job. So this is very important to put in by clicking here. Did you see where I clicked? Just underneath the title, just underneath the title, you can see it activates to put in the content of the job. There. So I'm just gonna Google Chief Marketing Officer job description. Okay, let's say these are the duties that are required. Then you just paste in what's required, right? This is the job description, and then this is done. Now that you've got your title and your description and your date and all these other stuff, this section is done. So when you come now to the right hand section where it says job, you can leave everything as it is. Here under Yoast SEO, again, don't touch it. Status, don't touch it. Permalink, leave it as it is. Company logo, please don't insert a company logo. Then job type, what kind of a job is it? Freelance, full-time, internship, part-time, or temporary? This is all up to you. You can only choose one. And under Astra settings, you can leave it as it is once again. So when you're happy with everything, you come here the top right hand corner and click publish. It's going to ask you if you're sure you're ready, then hit publish again. Then you will see that the job listing is now live. So just click view job, and you can see that the job listing is now live. Even if you come under the careers page to see where all careers are, there you go. The chief marketing officer role is now open. So that's how you add a job. Now your candidates can start applying and looking for vacancies. By just clicking apply for job, they can easily apply. So now I'm going to show you how to get the applications when users apply for jobs, where to track that.